the clear glue. So I want to use clear glue, but you can also use white glue. We have some baking soda, which is right here. This is 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. And here we have 1/4 cup of warm water. And here's our bowl with the glue. And here's the Conacle solution. And we have some paint for color. So let's get started. So as you can see, I already poured the clear glue into my bowl. Now our second step is we're going to put the 1/4 cup of water in this container. And then we're going to put the 1/4 teaspoon of this baking soda. And all you're going to do is mix until it dissolves. So you can see it. So if it dissolves, that means you're already good. So now that our baking soda water is done and it already dissolved, now it's time to put this in our clear glue. So I'm just going to put this slowly first. And then I'm going to start mixing it first before I add all. It's to react. And it's already looking good. So now I'm going to pour all of it. Now mix it up. And you can see it's already reacting. Now it's time to put our Conacle solution. Now let's pour the Conacle solution. Okay. So you can see it's starting to turn into slime. So just keep on mixing until it reacts. So if it's a little bit sticky, you have to pour more Conacle solution. So I'm going to pour more Conacle solution and mix it all up. Guys, look how beautiful it's turning. So just mix and mix. You can see it, it's reacting. Look at the reaction, guys. Wow. Look at it. It's so crystal clear. I love it so much. So I'm just going to put more Conacle solution and mix. Look at that. I love clear slime so much. I just think it's so beautiful. Can you guys see the air bubbles? So cool. So I'm just going to add more Conacle solution. Okay. Now just mix in. You can hear the sounds. Oh my god. That's so cool. So we're not going to make crystal clear slime. So don't worry about the air bubbles because we're going to color it. So I'm just going to add more activator. It's a little bit sticky fast, so you need to add. Let me touch it. That feels so cool, but it's, let me see. Yeah, it's a little sticky. We're just going to add a little bit more. Like that. This is so cool. So guys, I think this is already ready to knead. Oh, this is the best slime I ever felt. Oh, I love clear slime. Oh guys, now it's time to color the slime. My favorite part. Guys, look. Oh, it's so clear. Hi guys! and get the two colors ready. So as you can see, I've separated the two clear slimes. Now I'm gonna get my color. So now I'm gonna use a toothpick to get the color. So I'm just gonna add a little bit first. And then we're gonna mix it. Oops. We're gonna mix it up. This is so cool, guys. So we're just gonna keep on mixing. So as you can see, it's a little light, but I'm just gonna add just a bit more because there, that's good. So now, oops, there it is. So now I'm gonna mix it all up. This is so cool, guys. I love it so much. Ooh. So I'm just gonna mix it up. So now I've got my pink slime. Now it's time to do the blue one. But look, guys, it's so beautiful. I love it so much. Okay, now it's time to do the blue. Oh yeah, guys, I will be only using two colors for this unicorn slime. So now it's time to do the blue. So now I'm gonna mix it up. Wow! Oh, and I do the two colors, which is pink and blue. And the blue I'm doing right now. So I'll be adding more color. So now it's time to mix it up. Whoa! Just gonna mix it. So we're just gonna mix it up until all the blue becomes in a pastel blue or sky blue. So guys, I think the blue one is okay now. Ooh, so now I'm gonna get the pink and blue and I'm gonna poke it first before I mix the two colors. So I'm gonna start with the pink one. Now it's time for the blue one. Oh, it's so little. Oh, my eyes. Ooh. Now it's time for the fun part, mixing the two colors together. So all I'm gonna do is we're gonna roll this up. Okay, now we're gonna roll the blue one up. Now we're gonna stick them together. Woo! And here goes the mixing. Whoa, guys. Whoa, look how beautiful that is. It's so beautiful. Poking time. It's so clean. Wow. Eee. Okay. Oh! I love this unicorn slime so much. I'm really happy with it. It turned really cool. And I could see you guys again. loved how it turned out. I love how beautiful it turned out. I love the texture of it. You can poke it really easily, and it's really fun to play with. I'm gonna do this side. Oh, wow, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna do it as high as I can. Do it. Okay, wait. Oh, okay. Now time to hear the fun part. Ooh. So guys, I hope you can make like this beautiful unicorn slime. Just follow the steps I did and you can make this beautiful unicorn slime. And it turned to a beautiful purple, which is still beautiful. I love the color so much and it's really clear. So invite all your friends to our channel or to my channel. Oh, so they can watch cool and fun, awesome videos like this video I'm doing right now. So we could already hit 10K or 10,000 subscribers so I could give away some cool and awesome fun slimes. Guys, it's shout out time! So shout out to Gianna Luigi Calera Vlogs, Akisha Bethea de Casa, Althea Zandra Villa, The Happiest Vloggers Rain and Crystal, Marissa Emeno, Yeisha Vlog, Dwayne, Asha Cruz, Dennis Keys, Faye Delisay, Athea Ashley Oliveria Vlog, and KZC Vlog. So hello po sa inyo! Check nyo po channel nila! If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up! And if you're not yet part of the Sparkle Squad, or if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell next to it so you'll get notified in every fun vlog I do. And no hate, just spread the love and to spread my channel. See you guys on my next vlog. Bye!